viewing.
Did you know if you snort like a pig in a paper towel holder, you sound like a lion?
Nuh-uh. Do we have a paper towel holder?
Text Hambombo.
Paper towel holder.
Oh wait, hold on. A paper towel holder?
A paper? Did I say? Yeah, the roll, the paper towel roll.
Oh, I just threw 3 away. Okay.
If you snort like a pig, you just go in a paper towel roll, the tube. You will sound like a lion.
Okay.
Do a pig snort. Snort. Do a pig snort.
Do a big snoit.
Do a pig snort.
Do a big snoit.
Do it. Do it.
You're an asshole. I'm not doing
Do
it. Do it.
Do it.
I just did it.
Yeah, but do like a real long one, like yeah.
Yeah, but do like a real long one.
Do a long. Do a long.
Do a
one.
long
Hey,
snort.
bring me the paper towel rolls that are in the garbage, please.
No, if you, I learned that on the toilet. If you snort like a pig, do a paper towel roll,
Were
you
you
sound like a
doing this on
lion.
the toilet?
Yeah.
You were doing it on the toilet?
Yeah.
When?
When I was on the toilet,
Okay.
I did.
Did you sound like a lion?
I scared myself. It freaked the dogs out.
What?
Yeah.
Why didn't you tell me that then?
Well, I'm saving it for this.
Oh. Oh, you brought that.
That's perfect. You can do it exactly. Come on. Let me just see this.
Why do you have a trash bag? Oh, you brought a trash bag because
Right.
you thought that I meant.
Because this makes more logical sense than going, why would you want me to get stuff out of the trash can?
I said get the 3 paper towel rolls that are in the trash can.
Trash can. But I said to do this anyway. Wait. Hold on.
Oh, wait, I just saw...
Point it in this mic. Wait. Make the regular noise.
I did already.
Wait. A long one.
Okay. A long one. Come on, it's going to be worth it. It's going to be worth it. Okay. You're laughing, but now do it with that thing.
I don't sound like a lion.
She does not sound like a lion at all.
That's why I told you he's trying to get somebody,
No, I'm
dude.
not.
Yeah, right.
I can't do it because I'm laughing.
All right, take a breath. I'm not looking.
You just sound like a hog.
You just sound like how you swapped from a barnyard pig to a hog. Kyle is sitting on the toilet doing that, going, I sound like a jungle cat. You're so retarded.
Eric, you try.
No, I'm not doing it.
No, we all did it. You have to
That doesn't
do
mean I have
it,
to.
dude.
Thanks.
Oh, come on.
Do it. Don't be a
No.
chicken.
I snorted like a pig so many times.
Yeah, she did. I was like, no, she just sounds like a pig.